In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Proof on your WordPress website step by step, so you can start using this powerful tool to increase conversions and build trust with your visitors. Stay with me till the end because I'll also be sharing how you can get started with Proof for free and unlock some exclusive bonuses that can make a real difference in your marketing efforts. First, let's quickly go over what Proof is. Proof is a social proof tool that shows real-time activity on your site, like recent signups, purchases, or downloads. It works as a powerful trust-building mechanism, convincing visitors to take action based on what others are doing. It's a simple yet effective tool that can help boost your conversions by showing that other people are engaging with your content. To install Proof on WordPress, the first thing you'll need to do is sign up for Proof if you haven't already. Head to the Proof website and grab your account. Once you've signed up, you'll be given a code snippet or a plugin link, depending on your preferences. We'll be focusing on the plugin method since it's the easiest for WordPress users. Once you're in your WordPress dashboard, go to the plugin section and click Add New. In the search bar, type Proof to find the Proof plugin. It should appear at the top of the list. Click Install Now, then activate the plugin. After activating the plugin, you'll see a new menu option called Proof in your WordPress sidebar. Click on that and you'll be prompted to connect your Proof account. Simply copy and paste the code from your Proof dashboard into the plugin settings on your WordPress site. Once connected, you'll see various options to configure Proof for your site. You can customize how the social proof notifications appear, such as their design, placement on your pages, and frequency. There are also advanced settings to control who sees the notifications and when. For example, you might want to only show Proof when a certain amount of people have signed up or purchased something, making the notifications more impactful. One of the great things about Proof is that it integrates seamlessly with other tools like email marketing platforms, CRMs, and analytics software. This allows you to sync data and make the most out of the social proof on your site. Before we wrap up, I want to highlight that Proof is not just about adding trust signals to your site. It's about enhancing the overall user experience and turning visitors into customers by leveraging social influence. The more you tweak and test your settings, the better results you'll see. And before you go, don't forget that you can start using Proof completely for free through the first link in the description below. Plus, when you sign up through this link, you'll also get access to exclusive bonuses to help you maximize your website's performance with Proof. By the way, make sure to stick around for a quick tip that will help you get even more out of Proof by using it in combination with other high-converting elements on your WordPress site. That's all for this tutorial. Remember, with Proof installed, you're on your way to turning those visitors into loyal customers. Happy converting!